Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the one topic that is Lakshya basically. In this is basically connected with the city creation. So one of the person told that basically each and every groups basically are controlling each and everything. One of the king basically is controlling entire politics. One of the king is controlling entire automobile industry. One of the king is basically controlling entire cricket industry. Sorry, entire sports we will take. What sports also basically has divided. Cricket is handled by one of the king because it's huge sports basically, and it's connected with the more than 50 lakh crore basically investment basically happens in just sports only. 50 lakh crore basically. अब dollar है के dirham that basically I don't know. This is just basically rough calculation basically, but minimum basically it's like this basically. It might be rupees, it might be dirham, it might be Singapore also dollar. So like this basically, because Singapore dollar means lots of people say that yeah, in Singapore lots of Bihar people and lots of North people basically are there. Then one of the person told that basically like this basically few Gujarati people also basically married the Sharma Varma group basically. Then into the yes here basically like this basically they are controlling the Bihari people and Uttar Pradesh people basically. Like this basically also basically people says basically whether it's correct or that I don't know basically. Like this whatever the Gujarati people says that basically UP people basically have to listen basically. Like Bihari people also have to listen. Why? Because they have given their girls na basically for marriage basically. So they have to listen basically. If they will not listen basically, then basically see what are the things basically happening. So like this basically things are there basically. So here basically what we are discussing, Laksh web solution basically. That is in Hindi basically it is called target. Hindi language basically it's called target basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So Vadodara city basically, right? One of the person told that yeah, if we say that each and every city basically are controlled by a set of kings, then basically what? And each and every city basically are connected with set of sports, then basically and Bollywood, Hollywood, each and every city, each and every sector basically are connected with the set of cities, and set of cities are controlled by the kings basically. Then this is also possible. Possibilities are basically there, but one thing basically it's clear basically that one system basically is not basically like that. For example, assume that basically one of the Vadodara city king is there basically. So Vadodara city basically is not handled by one king basically. That type of thing basically nobody will keep. So Vadodara city is handled by multiple people. Reason? Because in Vadodara city software is also there, Bollywood industry is also there, then medicine industry also there basically. So entire because one person basically can't handle the thing basically. Why? Because it's connected with the planet creation. Right? If one of the planet basically Earth planet will create wrong planet, it will affect the entire universe basically. Immediately basically they will finish the world basically. Immediately basically. But this type of thing basically they never do. Why? Because they have divided the stuff basically. But that is controlled by the satellite group basically. So that type of thing basically they will never do. So each and everything basically is divided. For example, software industry is divided is given to set of kings basically. This king is basically going to handle hardware. This king basically is going to handle software. This king basically is going to handle networking. This king is going to handle internet basically. Because it's not possible to handle one person basically. Because he is also a human. He or she, it might possible that any king, queen basically might be handling. So queen is also basically possible because everywhere basically the king basically can't, because nowadays basically ladies are also basically jumped into that girl basically which is going, that is Lucknow girl. So like this they also jumped basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So it might possible that basically queen basically also basically might be handling set of stuff. Might possible basically, but real basically because if they are handling that means they have to handle the entire stuff related to blood cells also basically. So that is very dangerous. That is basically very dangerous because girls basically gets periods basically. So how sky group, that is the universe group, is going to handle this, that will be challenging group basically. Because ladies gets blood cells basically from the body, so how they are going to handle that basically. So that basically there might be some technique basically. They might be handling it basically. So like this basically things are also basically there basically. So here basically we are discussing this point basically. Singapore city. So Singapore city might be created by many kings basically, because in one city basically many things basically are dumped basically. IT technology is there, restaurants are there, then medical industry is there, then the Bollywood industry is there, the Hollywood industry is there, then the each and every sectors basically are there for enjoyment purpose basically. The beers are there, bars are there, the red light areas are there, many stuffs basically are there basically. Many stuffs basically are there. The companies basically are there for then the commercial complex groups basically are there, mall industry is there, restaurant and shops, small stores basically industry is there. So one person basically can't handle the everything basically. So for that basically stuff basically are divided. A universe basically set of planets basically has to create. So that planet basically has divided to the each and every stuff basically. But in this problem is that basically this is only one earth planet. So each and every energy basically creates in this earth planet only, and it basically sometime basically gets conflict also. So sometime basically it gets conflict also, and that conflict basically are solved basically how basically through peacefully or through the war basically. So that's basically because each and every stuff basically whatever things happens, whatever things basically that happens from to earth planet only, and then basically it creates to the universe basically, then basically the planet basically. So each and every stuff related to the earth planet, that is basically cleared here only, because they are the satellite groups are not going to come again basically. Are yaar ye to reh gaya, that type of thing basically in real life basically in software basically that is possible, that this software, but in satellite software basically that is not possible. In satellite software basically in one time basically you have to write the entire code, and then basically in few people says that basically few people write the code basically there basically never error comes basically, because that type of softwares are basically there, that are basically created in the runtime environment, that is the live environment basically. So there basically error means it is going to affect to the physical area basically. So that type of people also basically are there basically. So like this basically things are also there. So in management also basically it's like that basically. If you one person basically manage the particular stuff, for example one person is a manager and he is basically writing one of the code basically, then basically one of the code means he is basically writing the management plan basically. In one time only basically he writes everything. Why? Because he is up to that level basically, and there is no error also basically, because he is up to that level and he have a good experience also basically. Like this basically also the people basically are there basically. That depends upon the experience basically, how basically people basically are basically. So like this basically also things basically are there. So just see basically Singapore city, these all basically are created basically by set of kings basically, and kings basically are directly connected with universe. Only king basically groups have the rights basically to connect with the satellite group basically. Political group also basically don't have any rights, only they don't have also permission basically to handle the satellite and to handle the universe group basically. They only knows basically what is going to be created. So one of the person told that basically the political people are also basically handled by the set of king only basically. Then he told that yes basically, and each and every department basically of the political people are handled by the set of kings basically. One person basically can't handle everything basically. So health department is handled by some another king, medical industry is handled by the another king, software industry is handled by the another king, IT industry handled by the another king basically, and like this basically each and every stuff basically are divided basically. So each and every stuff basically one person basically can't handle the everything, because that is not possible. Practically it is not possible. Practically it is not possible. So like this from one story basically, that is the Lux web solution basically, we connected to many things basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.